Hi, I'm Katsumi. Welcome to my halal Japanese kitchen. Have you eaten the gyudon? Oh, you have not tried yet? Never mind. You can make it after watching my gyudon video. If you have been to the gyudon restaurant, you saw something red color one on top of the gyudon, right? That's called BENI-SHOGA in Japanese. It's pickled ginger. We can buy it at any supermarket in Japan, so in my grandmother's time, they used to make homemade pickled ginger using the red juice produced when pickling umeboshi plum. This red color is a natural one from the Perilla Leaves called shiso in Japanese. These shiso leaves only available for a short period of time in the summer season. Probably you cannot get it at your neighborhood supermarket. However, if you use something that is likely to be sold at overseas, you can make the traditional Japanese BENI-SHOGA at home. If you prepare it in the morning, it will be ready to eat at lunchtime, and it can be stored for long. A hamburger needs cucumber pickles, right? Chicken rice needs pickled green chili, and gyudon needs BENI-SHOGA. That's indispensable, I guess. So please give it a try to make BENI-SHOGA on your gyudon day. The something I told you is this: a rice seasoning powder named Yukari. Japanese people love rice seasoning powder called furikake, and many different flavors of furikake in Japan. This Yukari-Furikake is a super long-selling product that's been on the market since 1970. And this is made from powder of Perilla Leaves. So we use this Yukari-Furikake to make pickled ginger. It'd be almost the same as you made it from the raw Perilla Leaves. You can find this Yukari-Furikake at many Japanese supermarket or grocery store, or can buy it online too. Okay, shall we get started? Ingredient is ginger. For pickle juice, vinegar, water, sugar, salt, and Yukari rice seasoning powder. We make pickle juice first. Vinegar. Twice as much water as vinegar. Sugar. Then 1 pinch salt. And mix well. Okay, set aside. Clean the ginger and slice it into 2 mm thick. Like this. Then chop it into julienne. Boiled ginger. Okay, enough. Then drain it. Then remove excess water with pepper. Okay. Then set aside. Put yukari rice seasoning powder into the tea bag. I wanna use like this tea bag. This one. But if you don't have, please use tea strainer. Okay? Almost half of tablespoon and put here. And this one here double, so put like this. Okay. Then put here. Can you see vinegar mixture change the color to red? Put ginger into the vinegar mixture. This has pickled for about 3 hours. Can you see? It's very beautiful. The red color of commercially available one is a food coloring, but this is completely natural. Can we try? The taste is, it still has slight spiciness of ginger and it's very delicious. Thank you for watching today. Please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you soon on next videos. Bye!